and you don't ask questions, and you just do it. Because as soon as I'm salting this, I'm turning around and I'm seeing a literal chain of light coming from something I'm not going to look at. It said more, okay. It said I don't need to do these, that I've made enough of a statement, but by God, I'm going to do it. Because the last time it told me to do this, I woke up in the morning to a notification on my phone for YouTube. And it said, by the way, I'm seeing salt and something is telling me whatever you did worked. So, and you got the spiritual protection from the salt. So, 1 pound of salt. It was like $10. This whole thing was $10 for a pound. But it lasts a while, especially when it doesn't rain. Okay. What the fuck was that? Fuck you and fuck your mom too. Okay, I don't like how liminal it's getting. But that must mean that whatever was attached to me is rescinding. Because the reality is starting to shift. Usually when it gets liminal, it's because you're going through a transition. So now my food is fine. I have my chocolate stuff. It's pretty good. Pepper jack cheese. No, we're going to have the Mexican cheese. Mexican cheese. Where's my opened one, though? I don't know. So we're going to have to make do with what we got. The boys are back in town. I have one metal spoon, but it has disappeared. You see how easy, like how many things do you think that I've been through for me to be able to just bounce back like none of that just happened and just keep going? How many things do you think I've had to ignore and avoid for years for me to be so quick to just get back in and pretend like nothing ever happened? How much compartmentalization and trauma? You know what I'm saying? Where's my apple? Apple. No, I have to leave my... Where's my apple, man? Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't know where my apple is, man. I'm freaking out, man. Where's it get? Where's my apple, man? What? What? It's not over there. It's not over there. It's not over there. Oh, I got up. Okay, I am going to get up. Fuck you. Boys will be boys. And get their apple. Ouch! Look at this. Look at this shit. I do not have insomnia, Justin. If you haven't put the pieces together, there's shit out there. There's shit out there that is outside at night. I wouldn't be inside. But look, the fucking is broken. So I just sleep like this now. It is what it is. Okay. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to crack open my crisp apple Olipop and get ready to lay down and continue watching Avengers Endgame. I will periodically check Facebook to see, are the Bloods going to kill me? I don't know. But if they Google me, they're going to find this channel. So, if they're really that stupid that they can't recognize that they're unhappy because I replicated the behavior I'm unhappy with in order to get them to feel what I feel. You feel me? And that I'm just trying to make the world a better place for all of us. Maybe we can work together.